Hi guys, welcome to how to build a um quarry. This is basically just a mine that does all the mining for you, so it's pretty handy, but it's very, very expensive to make. So just be warned. So for this, you will need it's lagging. Hang on. Oops. No, it's not. Okay. You will need a quarry. I'll just set one down. It's basically, well, let's see. Just give me a second. I know how to build everything else but this. Alright, so the quarry, you basically build it like, alright, so you have to use iron gears, which you make from wooden gears covered in, stone, like, yeah. And then you need redstone. You need 3 iron gears and 1 redstone. You need 2 golden gears, which are iron gears covered in gold. And then you'll need a diamond pickaxe, a non-damaged diamond pickaxe. And then you'll need diamond gears, which are gold gears covered in diamond. And that's what I mean by it's pretty expensive. It costs about, let's see, 11 diamonds just to make this. So then you need a steam engine, which you make with pistons, with 1 piston, some glass and stone, I believe, and redstone, I think. You'll need it. It depends how fast you want your machine to run. You can use 2 of these, and then you'll need like 2 stacks of coal, or just 2 coal, which won't have it run for very long. You'll need landmarks, which you make out of redstone torches with lapis on top. Then you'll need some stone transport pipes, which is stone on either side of a piece of glass. Some diamond transport pipe, which is diamonds on both sides of the glass. And that's about it. I just have the uranium just for an example. So don't do this on super flat because the bedrock is like, I believe it's like right there. So yeah, don't do this on super flat. I'm gonna try to get this to go pretty fast. You can make this as big as you want, but it'll run a bit slower. So set your landmarks out evenly like this. Oops. Like that. And then just right click on one of them. And it'll just have this little laser beam go from each one. Then just place a quarry right next to one, and it'll build a structure out of that. And just it'll pop most of the landmarks out except for one, and then you can just like hit that one and it'll come out. Anyway, so you have your quarry down, and it makes this like structure here. So this is where the steam engines come in. I'm running with 2 because I want this to go a bit faster. So just right click on the steam engine and just put like a stack of coal in there. Then before this machine starts running, you just want to take this pipe over here, and then just somewhere, it doesn't matter where, just put a diamond transport pipe there, just one thing of it, and I believe that it gives you 8 if you just create one. So this is basically just acts as a filter. So let's say that the red is bad and we don't want that, so we'll just like send that down to bedrock. And then green is good. You're able to add as many as you want on here. Green is good, so we'll just send that into this little thing right here. So Um, so we have this all set up. Try to not do that. That happens to me a lot. So right click on it, and it gives you a bunch of colors here. So just just have what you want, like on the green, or you can have it on the red. It doesn't matter which color. The blue doesn't matter anything because it's just going back. And then, so let's say we just want this to be a uranium mine. So we would just put one uranium ore, either, well, I forgot what happens when you mine uranium. Well, whatever. So we'll just put those both in. I think that you only need to put this one in, or this one. It doesn't really matter. So, once you have that, you're gonna need a lever, and I forgot that, of course. Oh. Yeah, so you're gonna need a lever. And just put that right in between them, or you can put them, well, yeah, just put them right in between them. If you have 3, then you're gonna need to put another lever. So when you do this, you'll whoa, the heck? Okay, well, the structure just disappeared for some reason, but it should still work. So you'll see this laser coming out just randomly, and it'll start building the structure of the quarry out of this orange pipe, it looks like. So I'll get right back to you guys once it finishes, and I'm just gonna pause the video, so see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so it's almost done, and there are just a few other things that you need to know. So if you're gonna build this underground, which I usually do, because you can just dig out an area, you're gonna need to clear out about 5 blocks up, I believe, or else, just don't just dig out the structure, or else the laser won't be able to get through. Okay. Yeah, I'll tell you about that later. So here comes the mining laser, or arm, or whatever. And you basically created this, and, it just starts digging for you. So I'll put down a bit of uranium ore right here, and see what it does. It should pick, okay, yeah, so all the stuff that it picks up, goes through this pipe, and, if you don't put it in the green one, and there's something else in there, it'll just go through, the one that you didn't put it in, so here comes the uranium right now. Okay, I was right, so, if you want to just have it a uranium thing, you just need to put some uranium ore in there. So what should happen is all the dirt should go through to the red side and then just go down to bedrock, or wherever. You can put it in a chest or in an energy condenser. So then the uranium should go through the green side into this little hole right here. And it did. So you can make this just for diamonds, you can make it just for coal, you can make it for every ore in the game. Like, you can have another pipe over here splitting off, that's good, or one below. Just don't connect them, or else it'll go in a loop, and that's not good. So, again, if you're building this underground, you're gonna need to clear out 5 layers. Because if you don't, then, the mining laser, well, the thing that, like, builds the structure of the quarry, it'll get very confused, and it won't build anything. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And once it hits bedrock, it'll just stop digging. Like, it won't do anything anymore. It'll just go back up. So yeah, I hope this was helpful to you guys, and thanks for watching. If it was helpful, give it a like, or